Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux Guide. Today I am going to show you how to install CentOS 7 installation on VirtualBox. So let's start. So this will be all the screenshots which will help you to install the software. As a first step, we need to download the ISO file from the CentOS website, then burn it to the disk, or you can use the image also. Then boot your PC from the DVD if you are using the DVD after the burning. Otherwise you can use the image also to install it on the VirtualBox, and then choose install CentOS 7 option and press enter, as you can see from the figure as a screenshot. Move on to the next one. Then we need to choose a language and click on continue, such as English. I have selected English language as shown below. Let's move on. Then step 4 will be change the installation destination. By default it is actually installer will do the automatic partitioning for the hard disk, and if you want to partition the disk on your own, you can do that also. To create your own customized partition table, click on the installation destination as you can see from here. So let's move on. After that, once you are done that one, I have taken as an example 30 GB of hard disk drive for OS installation. You can choose according to you, whatever you like. And then after that, once it is done for 30 GB I have selected, then I have chosen like I will configure partitioning and click on done. Here you have to click once it is done. Step is create the partition table under the LVM and create the boot part, then swap the partition as shown below, and once it is completed, click on done as I have shown here. Come to the next. Once that is done, you have to accept the changes. So you have to click here to accept the changes. You can see, right? Go ahead. Then you have to select the date and time. I have selected as India, then timing as per your zone. Then click on next one. Then you need to select the software that you want to install. Then after that, the software selection is done as shown below. You have to click on next, or you can see here done. The next is select the software component as shown below. So I have selected Genome Desktop, and on the right hand side I have selected Genome Desktop. Then you can click again done. Once that is done, come to the next step. Now click on the begin installation as shown below. Means once it is done, you have to click on begin installation. From here you can see, select here. Then once that installation is completed done, then you will get this screen. Here you have to set the root password. We also know in case of Linux and Unix we have root password. Root is the admin user, that we have to select first and create the password first for that. After that we will create our own user as per our requirement, right? So select this password, then as shown below. Once it is done, click on done, move ahead. Then you have to create a user as per your choice, and then give the full name of the system, then username, password, and then done. Move on. Once it is done, you see the installation progress as shown below. You can see the installation progress here after you select all the stuff is done. Then once the installation is completed, you will be required to reboot the machine as shown below, and you have to click here reboot. You can see the button reboot. Click that, the system machine will be rebooted. And once that is done, the first login to CentOS, accept the EULA agreement. You will get one agreement, you have to accept it and click on done. Once that is also done, come to the next. You will get this kind of screen, that is a login screen. First screen you will get this. So that's all about today's video. I'll come with the next video with some practical lessons as well. So I'll request you to stay tuned, and thank you for being with my channel and listening to me patiently. Thank you for your love and support. If you like my video, please do subscribe, share and comment, so that I can get the feedback. How do you feel about my videos and all? And please don't forget to press the bell button, so that whatever video I'll be posting in future, you'll get the notification of it. So thank you so much guys. We'll meet you soon.